Now let's become experts, not slaves, when it comes to managing products in Edgetrack. The Bulk Actions feature allows you to edit multiple or even hundreds of products all at once without having to go one by one. This is one of the key features that sets Edgetrack apart from other inventory systems on the market. Let's get started. In the items list, we can see our 3 existing products, but imagine having hundreds of items and needing to edit them all at once, just like you would in Excel. The first step is to select the checkbox in the first column, which allows you to select all items. Once selected, the Bulk Edit and Actions buttons will appear. Click on Edit Items. A new window will open showing all editable fields in a horizontal layout, just like in Excel. You can update names, prices, statuses, and more. You can also add additional columns for editing. In this example, we'll update the product names and click Save Changes. As you can see, the names have been updated, and you can do the same with any other field. Another commonly used bulk action is Edit Inventory. With Edit Inventory, you can update the available stock for selected products in a horizontal view, again, just like in Excel. In this case, we only have one warehouse, but if you have multiple warehouses, they will appear as additional columns, making inventory management much easier. For businesses that handle large volumes of inventory and operate based on profit margins, the Edit Pricing and Margins option is extremely powerful. In this section, you can update prices and profit margins by percentage. You can even analyze your margins using artificial intelligence, which will provide recommendations based on your market. There is also a standout feature called Auto Update. When enabled, Auto Update will automatically adjust your prices based on product costs from new purchase orders. This helps you maintain consistent profit margins, even as market conditions change. Within the Bulk Actions menu, you also have the ability to update warehouse locations, change product status, update categories, edit taxes, adjust pricing, change suppliers, and even delete products in bulk. Before performing any bulk edits, it's recommended to apply filters to narrow down exactly what you want to modify. You can do this using the filter section above the table, and just like that, you're now an expert in product management. Thanks for watching.